Forget expensive animation software. Everything you're watching right now was created with free AI tools. No Blender, no animation experience, no paid subscriptions. If you ever wanted to make Disney-style or Pixel-style 3D animated stories but thought it was too difficult, this video is going to change your mind. By the end of this tutorial, you'll exactly know how to turn a simple idea into a full animated, cinematic story using AI. And you won't spend a single dollar. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, everything great AI animation starts with a great prompt. Instead of writing scenes one by one, we're going to let ChatGPT build the entire project for us using a single master prompt. You'll find this prompt in the description below. Once you paste it into ChatGPT, all you have to do is replace the story title and describe your idea in 1 or 2 sentences. For example, I'm gonna write this one. Your concept can be anything you want. Maybe a group of kids exploring an abandoned forest, a lonely robot searching for its family, or even an animal surviving the wild. After you have written the idea, leave the remaining instructions exactly as they are and click enter. ChatGPT will automatically generate everything you'll need. First, it creates a detailed master character description. This is one of the most important parts because it reuses the same description throughout the entire project to keep our character consistent. Then it writes the complete story scene by scene. For every scene, you'll receive 2 prompts. The first prompt is for generating the image, and the second prompt is for animating that picture later. If your main character changes, for example from a boy to a fox, simply replace every mention of the boy throughout the prompts before generating them. Once ChatGPT finishes, you'll have an entire animation planned from beginning to end without writing each scene manually. Now, it's time to create our visuals. Open Gemini and paste the master character prompt that ChatGPT generated. Switch to the model from fast to thinking mode and enable the image generation option. Gemini will now create a main character, and once you are happy with the design, return to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt from scene 1. Paste it into Gemini, and if your character is different from the default one in the prompt, simply replace those details before getting the image. Gemini does an excellent job of keeping the same face, clothing, colors, and overall style, which helps maintain consistency across the entire story. Repeat the exact same process for every scene until you've generated all of your images. Now comes the most exciting part, turning those static images into animation. Instead of using Grok like before, we are going to use Qwen AI. Because it's completely free and produces surprisingly impressive results. Open Qwen AI and switch to image to video feature. Upload your first scene image, then return to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt that belongs to the same scene. Paste the prompt into Qwen AI and start generation. Within a short time, Qwen transforms your still image into a cinematic animated clip with a realistic movement, camera motion, character expression, and environmental details. When it's finished, download the video. Now repeat the exact same workflow for every remaining scene. Upload the next image, copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Qwen AI, generate the animation, download the result. Continue it until every single image has been transformed into an animated scene. After all of your scenes are ready, the final step is putting everything together. Import every animated clip into your preferred editor. I'm using CapCut, but Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or even mobile editors work perfectly fine. Arrange the scene in the correct order and add background music that matches the mood of your story. If you'd like, you can also include transitions between scenes to make everything flow more smoothly. That's done. Export your video, and that's it. You've now completed an AI-generated 3D animation story created using ChatGPT. For scripting, Gemini for image generation, and Qwen AI for animation. The best part? This entire workflow is simple, repeatable, and completely beginner-friendly, and it doesn't even cost you a single dollar. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and want more AI filmmaking, documentary, and cartoon creation videos, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, you're watching DeepMind AI, and I'll see you in the next one.